Hello, my name is Obediah, and today I want to talk about why water is vital. First, let's define the word vital. And to do that, I want to introduce you to someone very special. Please welcome Puey. Puey is a...
Wait, cut.
Yes.
We discussed this.
Well, yes, but I thought it would be a good way to introduce this. It'd be fun.
Yeah. Well, we're not going to use Puey.
Why? Because he's a puppet, or is it because he's a pig?
Obediah, this water video is also for older kids. They don't want to see it.
I think they would really like him.
We're sticking to the script.
Okay, great.
Okay, we're rolling, and action.
Hello, my name is Obediah, and today I want to talk about why water is so vital. First, let's define the word vital. And to do that, I want to introduce someone very special. Please welcome Elvis!
Oh, TCB in the flesh.
Cut. Elvis?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, kids will love him. He's not a puppet, he's not a pig, he's Elvis.
Okay, fine. Let's try it.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right.
And action.
Hey, little darling. Vital means it's important for life. You gotta drink water to live. And I'm gonna have my backup singer sing it for you. It's time for rock and roll with Puey.
Cut. Stop. Sorry, Puey. No puppets in this scene.
Oh, okay.
Elvis, I just told Obediah Puey is not appropriate for older kids.
Mr. Director, Elvis would never exclude people. People love Puey. Elvis loves Puey.
But we're talking about the importance of water.
Oh, Puey loves water. Oh, he drinks like 3 or 4 gallons of water every day. And we wouldn't have plants or animals on this planet without water.
Oh, even Elvis drinks water. Hydrate.
What's that?
Peanut butter banana sandwich.
Oh, I like bananas on pizza.
I like banana burritos.
Ooh.
Guys, we're making a water video and we're running out of studio time. Okay, we only have 10 seconds left of studio time, so rolling and action.
Okay, here he is, the star of the show, Puey the pig.
I love water. Water. Colder and hotter. Everyone loves water. Daddies and daughters can't live without
Cut. Time's up.
water. Wait.
Puey,
Yeah,
sometimes we sneeze. You ever sneeze?
all the time.
Gonna show you the right way to sneeze. Here's the wrong way to sneeze,
Why is that wrong?
because it's all over your hands now.
Oh,
And
yeah.
Yeah. But, right there. This is your armpit? You know what I call this?
Wait a minute. You sneeze out of your armpit?
No, you don't
I sneezed out of my mouth and nose.
Puey, you sneeze into your...
Oh, into your armpit.
Right,
Okay.
but not your armpit. Your elbow pit.
Elbow
Right
pit.
here. It's like this. Like that.
Nice going.
Now, like I'm with you right now, and I might sneeze. I don't sneeze like this. I'm going to turn my head over here, sneeze away from you. That's respect for other people.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And or you could use a Kleenex. Blow into a Kleenex, and then you can just throw the Kleenex away. Where should you throw it away? In the trash can.
Not the toilet?
Don't put it in the toilet.
What about wipes? Yeah, I use them to clean things off. Get the germs off.
Speaking of wipes, a lot of people are using wipes now to keep clean. After you're done with a wipe, don't put it in the toilet
Ow.
because it clogs up the toilet system and the infrastructure gets backed up. And that's disgusting. So don't put it in there, okay? Please, I'm begging you. Don't put it in there.
Okay. You did your point.
Thank you. I just want to make a good point.
You did.
So make sure you throw them in the trash can. That's the proper way. And where's the trash can, Puey?
Better put it in your pocket.
I'll put it in my pocket for later. I'll put it right in there. Wipes. Be responsible.
Wait.
Got the big show tonight. Better brush my teeth.
Turn it off, turn it off!
Oh, right. Wasting water. All right. You know what? I'm just gonna take a nice, long, hot shower.
Turn it off, turn it off!
I haven't even turned it on yet.
Turn it off, turn it off!
They say I'm allowed at least a 5-minute shower.
Turn it off, turn it off!
Better wash this cup.
Turn it off, turn it off!
Puey, I think what you mean in your piggy little way is that I should fill the dishwasher up to full and then run it?
My piggy little way!
Yes, your piggy little way.
Oh, well, you're right.
Thought so.